Hello, David. Hi,
Hello. Hi.
how's everything? Fine?
Ah, just running with a lot of things at the job.
Busy.
Always busy.
Busy. And because of that problem?
Yes, I had a meeting with my manager and
Mm-hmm.
we had to do a presentation
Mm-hmm.
for another part of the company that is in the US. They are
Ah,
something like the persons who validate our information to approve the drilling wells. And,
okay.
and today
Because you have to drill another well, right?
yes, we have to drill another well, but we need the
Authorization.
this authorization of this another part of the company right now.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It doesn't happen in the last year, but for this year we have to to do some
To do
meetings
this
with
way.
them to approve this some
Uh,
drilling wells.
it
And
didn't
I had
happen
a
last year.
yes, but right now we have to do this. And I was in a meeting with the seismic and geologic team and my coordinator
Mm.
to 14 p.m. to it
4
ends.
p.m. or
Yeah,
2 p.m.
it starts 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
and ends 4 p.m. and 30.
4:30 finished.
Yes, 4:30 the meeting was finished.
Uh-huh.
I did some little adjust
Uh-huh. Was the
on
meeting
the
in English?
no, this not was not in English,
Portuguese.
but in Portuguese.
Uh,
We are just uh, organizing the
or,
data.
organizing.
They're organizing the data for the meeting that maybe happens on March 18 March.
18th.
Yes.
Okay, in
The
6 days.
next the next yes, in the next week.
Week. Okay. Okay. Wow.
But I had a meeting in English on Wednesday
Ah,
and presencial, assim.
face to face.
Yes, I had a meeting face to face and at Wednesday and it was really good.
Really?
It was good.
You felt
I
more
had to
comfortable?
more than
Much
ever,
more.
much more.
More
And I,
than
and,
ever.
and yes, more than ever.
That's good.
I had to explain this company.
Mhm.
They are called Kerui.
How do
It's
you spell? Q U
Turui.
K. Okay.
They
Ah,
are
Kirui.
yes, they are a company from China. It's
Ah,
interesting. They are a company from China, and in the meeting was a Brazilian guy that it is
in
the commercial manager from
in
Brazil.
China.
No, he's
Yeah.
Brazilian,
Okay.
but he's the commercial manager.
Mm-hmm.
But in the meeting was one people that comes from China. I
Mm-hmm.
had her card, but it's not here with me.
Uh-huh.
It's really difficult to say. I don't know,
His
but
name?
yes, she comes from China, and another guy that I don't know where, but he speaks Spanish.
Ah,
And we did all the meeting in English to be better for everyone.
everybody.
Yes,
Yes.
and I had to explain some information about a field that I am responsible to
Uh-huh.
manage.
Uh-huh.
And it was good. I don't felt many difficult to explain about production, about pressure, about everything. It was really
Amazing.
good. It was
Ah,
really
this
good.
is so good for me to hear, because yes, I think this is important for you, not to talk about
Yes,
the daily stuff, but talk about your job stuff, right?
yes.
Yes.
Today, this is the best part about English that I have to know. I know that daily routine is good too. For example, if I
Uh-huh.
may travel for another country, but right now job stuffs is that I have to practice a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
And on Wednesday was really good. My coordinator was in this meeting too, and we
Mm-hmm.
did everything in English.
Mm-hmm.
I I spoke more than in this meeting. I spoke to explain some things more than him,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
and it
But
was good.
why did you speak, not other people?
Yes, I speak just
Your part.
explaining. Yes, explaining some things about my field,
Okay.
and they present to us the technologies that they trying to provide to Petroreconcavo.
Ah,
This
okay.
is they
Okay.
are trying to start with this a job for
Mm-hmm.
secondary recovery
Uh-huh.
with full injection.
Mm-hmm.
It's a
Okay.
technology that they have, and they already use this technology on the USA, on Saudi Arabia,
Arabian.
China, and other
Uh-huh.
countries, and have good
Uh-huh.
results. And they showed to us these results,
Mm-hmm.
and we like it, the presentation, the information.
Uh,
We may do something in the next months. We have
mm-hmm.
to give them a signal. Okay, we will keep forward with this
Mm-hmm.
project, and let's talk about cost.
So this is it an equipment or like
Yes,
a system?
they have a lot of equipment.
Mm-hmm.
They work with polymer injection, with
Mm-hmm.
nitrogen injection, foam injection, and for every reservoir condition, it's a kind of injector fluid that would be better than other kind of fluid. In
Uh-huh.
this case, for us, foam injection will be better because the reservoir fluid, the kind of the reservoir fluid,
Uh-huh.
and the actual reservoir condition. Foam will be the best
Mm-hmm.
injection fluid to us right now.
Mm-hmm.
And then
So
what was it
what
that we
is
talked?
it going to improve, the production or
Yes,
the production?
this yes, this technology, it can, for example, I will try. Let me change the kind of
You to share, I have to
screen.
allow you to share just a
No,
sec.
no, I'm not share. Just change this
You can
display
share if you
video video effects. Just change the video effects. No, yes, it is.
uh,
So, for example, I'll try to draw in here.
to draw.
Um, just draw here. We have an injection well, right?
Uh-huh.
He's
Ah,
injecting
okay.
water or whatever inside to the reservoir.
Uh-huh.
When we inject water,
Uh-huh.
the water don't fill every part of the reservoir.
Ah.
In some studies, the water just flows through the bottom of the reservoir, not through the middle and the top
Mm-hmm.
of the reservoir.
Mm-hmm.
And this water pass through the reservoir and flows just to the bottom,
Mm-hmm.
we lost all the
Good.
volume of oil that is in the middle
Yes,
and in
sure.
the top of the reservoir. And this
Okay.
foam, it can flow through the middle, the bottom, and the
Uh-huh.
top of the reservoir with homogeneous in a homogeneous class of of flow. I don't know
Or
if you
flow, exactly
uh,
what I was going to say.
and we can it can flows in all thickness of the reservoir in a
Mm-hmm.
homogeneous flow
Mm-hmm.
and moving the well to the producer, moving the oil to the producer wells.
Mm-hmm.
And water can't do this with good
You
efficiency.
don't waste,
We,
right?
yeah,
It's more
the water,
efficient.
yes, it's more efficient than water. Water have a has a good have an efficient, but in the meeting they show us to us that foam may be better than water. And for this reservoir specifically, right now we don't have many alternatives to develop this reservoir.
Mm,
And injection will be the best for this reservoir because we already produced more than 45% of the possible recovery rate.
mm-hmm.
So when
So, yes, so you were the one explaining to them because this is your responsibility.
yes, and I was explaining then the condition and what the Petrobras did in this
Uh,
field and what we are doing right now, and what
uh-huh.
is the perspective to develop this reservoir, this
Mm-hmm.
and the another reservoir that is in this field, and
Mm-hmm.
they show it to us the technology. We 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 agree with something that they present to us, and
Uh-huh.
what was that we did in this meeting in
Mm-hmm.
general?
Okay.
In general was that.
And the presentation you have to make for next week is in English, right?
Um, it's not me that will
Uh,
presentate it. They
uh-huh.
will who is responsible to do this presentation is the guys of the seismic and petrophysics. They are
Okay.
responsible to present to
Uh-huh.
the council, I think.
Yes, because
And
yes, I
tomorrow,
think you told me that maybe it was the seismic equipment that were not sending the right data
maybe,
information.
yes. And
I think
they
you
have
told me
to,
that.
yes, I told that the council have to validate our data. So we are gathering all data
Mm-hmm.
to then validate. Gathering is right?
Validate
No, gathering the data is it's right?
a gathering. Gathering. Yes,
Okay.
yes. Gathering. This gathering. Yes, perfect. Okay. You're gathering the data
Yes.
to present to
To
them next
present the data.
week.
Yes,
Yes.
absolutely.
So then they
I
will
don't remember that this
evaluate.
presentation will be in March 18 or March 28th.
Or
I don't know.
28.
Yes, because in our schedule has have two datas to present
Mm-hmm.
to represent.
Okay. And how can they help you guys, the US branch, the part of the company in the USA? I'm not sure if they are going to help you.
Yes, they will evaluate our presentation,
Mm-hmm.
understand that if what we are um, presenting for them is constant,
Mm-hmm.
if it has any issues or any inconsistency,
Mm,
if the seismic makes sense, if
mm,
the geology makes sense, if the
mm,
engineering about cost and valuation of the drilling makes sense. If
mhm.
it is right in the mind of them, it the well is approved to drill. But
Sorry? If it's not good, what?
if the data makes sense to them, if the data is correct in in the mind of them,
Mm-hmm.
um, they will always approve it to true. But if something is not okay or
Uh-huh.
inconsistent, we have to review the data
Uh-huh.
and present them again. If it's approved, okay. But if they don't approve, we just have
Uh,
to keep going and search for another ways. I try in the future with more data to
okay.
present it.
Okay. 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 I had a question.
But tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
we today at night, I have to do some in
Adjustments.
the adjustment in the presentation, in the things that is related with my subject.
Mm-hmm.
The seismic guys will do the
Your part.
adjustment, the geology of the part, and tomorrow we have to present it again for our VP
Mm-hmm.
and and get his approval.
Uh-huh. If so this well is not working now.
No, it's a new drilling well.
Sorry?
It's a well that we want to drill.
You are going to make this presentation for the well you want
Yes,
to drill still. And that
yes.
one that had a problem. Is it working or not?
No, yes, it is working.
You
We
solved
have
the
the
problem.
Yes, we solved the problem. He is producing without any problem. And the
Uh,
another one that that was producing water and gas keep with this problem.
mm,
We are evaluating. We still evaluating the well with the rig.
okay. So everything that you are going to present, it's about the new well that you're
It's
going to drill.
another well. It's another well in another field, in
In
another
another field.
reservoir. Yes.
Okay. Is it far from your place now or
Sorry.
not? Is this well that you
Uh,
are willing to drill far from the place you are working now? Because you said
no,
it's in another field.
no, it's here because the
Close.
field is not really far because you may have fields go to each other. Something
Mm,
like 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers.
okay.
When I speak field, I'm talking about uh, areas on the
Mhm.
surface. For example,
Areas in your
in
field.
areas in the total field of petrol, there are
Okay.
another small fields because
Uh-huh.
so we have the asset, everything
Uh-huh.
we call it the asset is the everything.
I know.
But in the asset you may have many fields.
Uh-huh. Okay. Yes. I have learned this
Field,
with
fields,
you.
yes, fields is something let me show some example like Purcell. You have for example, Pressal is the
Mm-hmm.
asset Pressal, but within Pressal you have many fields. For example,
Mm.
Garopa,
Mhm.
Parque das Baleias,
Yes, yes, it's
like this.
okay.
Many
Uh,
fields
Any
in the
field.
asset.
Yes,
Yes,
I
it's
know.
something like
Understood.
this.
Yes, yes. I knew that before, but when you said in another field, I thought that maybe it was far. Another field.
No,
No, but it's in the
yes,
same
again,
area.
it's the same
As
area.
your field that you have, that you are, where you have your office and like you showed me, we saw in a photo. You showed me the photos. Yes, that place has that field has like 5 kilometers or not?
No, no, no. I think no. If
No,
you think
less.
about extension,
Yes, yes, extension.
maybe more. Some fields that has as well that is really
Uh,
distance of the station.
okay. So in
There's
this
not.
in the
Yes,
field,
the field are really big. It's not small.
yes, yes, yes. So the other well is near to your well in the same field.
Yes.
Ah, it's in the same field. It's just another part of the field.
No, no, it's not in the same. It was in another field.
No.
No, no. It's for it. These the wells that I asked in the last class is far. It's not close. It's the well that we are trying to do is something like 20 kilometers from this
From your
this
place. Yes, this is what I was asking you. If it was near
ah
or far. So it's far.
yes,
20
far from
kilometers.
our office.
Yes, it's far from your
It's far,
office.
it's far. It's something
Ah,
like
it's
50
another
50
field.
50 kilometers.
Wow, 50.
50, yeah, to the office.
Ah, okay, from your office.
And the wells that I asked in the last class is 40, 38
Ah, okay.
kilometers.
Okay, okay. Yes, let me see if I had other questions. Oh, no.
Yes, the last days was really a run. I'm always running with some presentation, with something. Yesterday I had a presentation.
Mm-hmm.
Today I have a presentation.
Another presentation.
Tomorrow I have another presentation for the next week. I have another presentation,
Yes.
always a presentation.
Yes, every
And
day
with
a
a lot of, yes,
presentation.
and with all of these presentations, sometimes I don't have time to do
Your
my daily
job.
stuff. Yes, because always I have to do a presentation.
Yes,
If
it
something
accumulates.
happens, presentation. If someone else
Uh-huh.
don't perform very well, another presentation. If a well
Mm-hmm.
performs good, presentation.
Uh-huh.
I'm a presentation engineer here.
Where do I'm a presentation
Yes.
engineer. I am a presentation engineer. That's it. Mateus, did you learn in the university how to make presentations? I think so, right?
No, I learned by
No?
myself. No.
Yes, that's what I was teaching in China, how to
Yeah,
make
I learned by myself.
presentations. I decided to, because my class was about oral class, and I didn't want to teach them about how to go to the restaurant and why they needed to know how to make presentations. Yes.
Hmm.
It's very important, but in
Yes.
schools, students they don't learn how to make presentations. And this is your
Yes.
everyday life, right?
Yes. They rarely teach about this.
Yes,
They
and it's so
just
important.
they just want that you do the presentations, but they rarely they teach something
They teach you. Yes,
about
exactly.
the uh, posture. I don't know, postura,
Sorry?
comportamento.
Comportamento?
About the how
Ah, yes.
to yes, how to do the presentation, your speaking, your uh, postura.
Yes, posture.
Yeah, posture. They don't teach
Posture.
about this.
Yes.
How to do, how to create,
Yes.
how everything
Tone of
you have to learn.
voice,
Yes,
organization of the
organization.
presentation.
Only thing that
Yeah.
they in some cases teach about something is ability, but
This is
only
not about how to make presentations.
yes, not just
Yes.
just for TCC
Technical
and
stuff. Yes, this is
yes,
just
just for
technical
technical
stuff.
stuff, not for
Yeah.
the presentation.
Yes, that's what I was doing with my students in China.
Yes,
Make
and
them
I
make presentations.
yes, and I always speak with my coordinator per day. He has something like four meetings per day,
Ah,
but meeting is not uh does not the presentation, but he frequently has to do presentations every week.
every week. Your coordinator.
Every week. Yes, my
Yes,
coordinator.
yes, yes. Yes, and it's so bad to watch some persons performing badly in the presentation, right? I think it's so boring.
Yes,
Takes more time. It's not effective. Person doesn't know how to express, how to organize. Yes, I think
yes,
it's a waste of time
yes.
sometimes.
Firstly, for example, this year I'm working in a field that I didn't work in the last year
Mm-hmm.
because a guy here in my team he 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 needed to leave the company for some uh, problems with family company. He
Mm.
right now is living in Manaus,
Okay.
and I received I received his fields to take
Mm-hmm.
care,
Mm-hmm.
and today I'm still learning about this field, learning about the reservoir, the quotation, everything, and
Mm-hmm.
sometimes I have to the well that is for drilling is from this field,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm still learning about the field. I don't know everything about the reservoir condition,
Mm-hmm.
reservoir production, wells production, well behavior, and sometimes I know that I have some difficulties to about the domain of the reservoir contents.
The
Uh,
sorry, the domain.
the domain
This
of the yes,
ah
the
the
domain of
domain.
the things that's related with this reservoir, and this is really important for some presentation. Um, let the person that was watching you know that you really know that you are speaking.
Yes,
And
exactly.
I'm learning about the I'm still learning about the reservoir, and I'm seeing that I have a little bit of difficulty with this, but it's because that I'm still learning. I don't know everything right now yet.
Yes, not yet.
Not yet. I don't know everything not yet. I know something,
Yes.
but not everything.
Yes. But you still don't know because because you
Oh,
every day you learn something about
yes.
the
Every week I
well,
learn
right?
something. I'm still studying about the reservoir. In this field has three reservoir, and they are symbols, maybe the
Siblings.
symbols. Yes, symbols.
Well,
Gêmeos. I don't know. I don't know.
neighbors.
Gêmeos.
Twins.
Twins. These
Twin.
reservoirs is something like twins. The composition, the production, everything
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
is like the same for every of these three trees reservoir. But I'm still learning. Still learning. There are
Yes, I
some things that's more specific that I have to learn because the reservoir they are twins, but in some areas of the field it has some behaviors that is different.
okay. They behave differently.
Yes, in some kind of fluid they behave different.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, let's change a bit the subject because I'm just not worried. I'm curious about the oil situation during this war
Mm,
and if it's
yes.
gonna affect your job. I mean, Brazilian companies.
Mm-hmm.
What are the what is what's the information that you have? What do you think is gonna happen? Tell me.
Um, I think for oil and gas companies, maybe good. Yes, because the price of Brent is higher right now.
So, do you think it's
And
gonna be better for the oil
no,
companies?
no,
No.
for companies that have to sell oil, will be good because the Brent is high, and you can sell oil with high prices. But in general, for daily life, maybe uh, worst.
Yes, I
It's
know it's not going to be good for normal people, right?
yes,
Civilians, for the
yes,
people, the civilians. But for the oil companies, do you think
good.
it's gonna be good, right?
Yes, I think that's gonna be good because they may sell oil with higher prices and
Yes.
do more projects that was not in the past
Mm,
rentable, profitable.
profitable. And do you think that because they are attacking not just them, but also Iran is attacking the Middle East countries, so they might lose the control over the oil markets like OPEP. You know, I'm not sure if this is still.
I noticed that Trump was trying to put in the market 400 million barrels of oil to stabilize the Brent price.
Who?
Trump,
Trump?
yes, I saw a notice about this.
He wants to put more oil in the market
Yeah,
so the
they will
price
try.
goes down.
Yes,
This is a lie. Don't know. I'm just saying my opinion. Sorry. Maybe
yes.
yes. He can. I think he can because of Venezuela oil. But you told me that it's very dense. It's not good, right? Venezuelan oil.
Yes, but Venezuela, they can produce light oil too. It's not the production was not just
Ah,
there's something that maybe be something like false. Because
okay.
every people think that Venezuela oil, all of the oil that Venezuela produced was bad. But they produce
Ah,
good oil too. They may have some
okay.
field that produce oil with 40 API, 35
Uh-huh.
API. They have light oil
Uh-huh.
as USA and another countries have heavy oil.
Okay. Okay.
It's very variable.
Diverse.
Diverse.
Variable. Yes,
Yes,
diverse.
very variable, diverse.
Okay. And yes, I've heard two things. I watched two videos. One was saying that Iran has some components to help improve uh,
Oil recovery.
Venezuelan's oil. So Trump uh, interfered in the Venezuelan production and actually stole Venezuelan oil. And first, and now he's doing this with Iran because Iran's oil or something they produce helps to reduce the density of Venezuelan oil. I'm not sure.
I
This is
don't
not
know.
true.
I think that this is more complex because
Uh, yes.
they have a lot of problem with some countries that it is in the Middle East.
Yes.
Iraq, Iran, terrorism, these things. I don't know. I think
Speculation.
that
This is just the
because
people.
these countries, the Muslims, I think they have a lot of problem with this. Just not about the oil, but
Yeah.
about the things that is happening in this area of the
Yes.
globe.
Yes.
Wars and terrorism, uh, um, um, Muslims that they are radicals.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of
Yes.
things is involved,
Ah,
not
yes.
just
Religious and
about oil,
political,
religions. Yes,
social problems also. Yes.
yes,
Yes. I don't
not
think
just
this
about
would
oil.
be one reason to do this.
There is a lot of
Yes.
things, a couple of things that
Other
may
things too. Yes.
that is
Another
related.
thing was that I've heard that, like, for example, in Brazil, we don't refine the oil, we don't have refineries. So for us,
And
it would be
where
worse. Hmm?
where don't have where don't have family here
No, I watched the video saying that in Brazil or the countries that cannot refine the oil will will be more damaged by this war because we need to send the
Yes,
oil
yes.
to, especially because of the Strait of
Yes,
Hormuz.
this is yeah, almost.
Yeah, so we don't refine the oil, so we needed to send the oil abroad to be
No,
refined
they may refine the oil,
in
but in
Brazil.
some in Brazil,
I'm talking about Brazil.
yeah, Brazil refine the oil.
How many refineries do we have? Do you know?
In Brazil, I think four. Let me
Four.
check.
Ah, okay.
We have
Yes.
refineries in Brazil.
Yes. There are few refineries.
We have ah 19 refineries.
19. Oh
Yes.
my gosh, that's so bad.
The capacity to process is 2 millions,
Two
2.3 millions.
barrels or no, not barrels, liters.
Yes, 2 millions and 300,000
Uh-huh.
barrels.
Barrels.
Yes, per day.
Wow, this is a lot.
It can process 2 millions and three hundred
This is a
thousand
lot.
barrels.
This is a lot.
Yes.
Is Brazil sufficient? I mean,
Yes, Brazil is sufficient with gross oil production.
okay.
But the Brazilian oil, it can't be processed alone. We have to do a blend with the oil with the Saudi oil to refine our oil.
Really, we have to put them
Yes,
together.
yes, we have to
Ah,
import oil that comes from
uh-huh.
Saudi,
Uh-huh.
blend with Brazilian oil to refine it. We
Really?
can't just refine the oil,
Wow.
Brazilian
So then
oil.
it's gonna be hard because how can we import? There is
Yes, and the price of oil is
is
getting
going
higher.
up. Yeah.
and we have to bought the oil from Saudi,
Mhm.